Alright, we're sitting with the Brother QL-1100, and I'm going to show you how to clean it out to prevent jamming. Obviously, step one is to turn the printer off, and then we're going to unplug it from the wall as well as the computer. Go ahead and pop it open and remove any labels. If you see jammed up labels, go ahead and take that out as well, the best you can. Then we're going to take a business card and clear the sensor, make sure there's nothing under there. And then the area where the labels feed through, slide the business card through there. If you have a second one, go ahead and grab that. That way you can make sure there's nothing switching from side to side and just push it through all at the same time. Then we'll check to make sure there's nothing sitting on the other side that didn't fall out. Then we'll grab some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. Rubbing alcohol is great for these types of jobs because it will evaporate. You can see here we don't have anything, so I'm just showing you where to rub. After the alcohol is evaporated, go ahead and load your labels back up. Make sure you check the labels to see if they are the source of the debris that's causing the jam in the first place. And then go ahead and feed the labels through and move them side to side if you're not printing with a 4x6. And make sure that you don't feel any resistance. If you do, go back and try clearing with the business card again. Alright, that wraps up this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. Give us a like, subscribe, let us know if this helped you guys out. Do check out the description for any links, as well as a coupon to our website for printing supplies. And we'll see you in the next one.